guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is e-look number 2. So this is a teal and mauve tutorial. I had a totally different look in mind with a mauve eyeshadow and tealy duck eggy type green on the bottom. It turned out really dramatic, not what I was going for, but even though I really like this look, so I posted it. So if you guys would like to see what I've used and how I've done this, the tutorial is about to follow. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified of more future videos, and give me a thumbs up and a comment below to let me know how you feel about this look. Just be kind. I'm going to start off with priming my eyes, and to prime I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C9. I'm now going to set my brow bone to the crease with this eyeshadow here, which is Vanilla Bean by Makeup Geek. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe E21 brush. I'm going to take the Dose of Colours Marvelous Mauves eyeshadow palette, go in with this shade right here, and I'm taking it on my usual Jessup fluffy brush. I'm just going to keep applying that in circular motions, starting off at the outer corner and then going in. Taking E28 by Morphe, and I'm going to go in with the colour right next to it and work that in the crease as well. So this one's a bit less fluffy than that, so that's going to be more precise. I'm just going to put it on in circular motions in the outer V and then swoop it across on the inside. Taking the darker shade, which is Spaced Out. So the last shade was Wishy Washy. Now I'm taking Spaced Out, and I'm taking the flat shader brush. This is the Mikasa E230, and I'm going to pick that colour up and pack it on to the lid. I'm going to take the first shade again with the first brush and pick up Rosy again. I'm just going to diffuse all of that out. Going with the second shade again and apply that on the outer corner and run it along. I'm taking a Zoeva Petite Crease brush, and that's the number 231. And I'm going to go in with the very last shade, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner and just go in circular motions. And then run it along the rest of the lid, halfway through, not the rest of the lid, with what's left on the brush. Fluffy brush again on the first shade again, and gonna blend all of that out, soften up the darker color because we don't want that to stand out too much. This color with the flat shader again, just gonna lay that down right. Makeup white, and I'm gonna clean up the bottom and the inner corner and the outer corner. I'm going to use a Smashbox primeriser. I'm going to correct for my unders. I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime Peach Lustre like always. For the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Deep Peach Corrector. So for foundation, I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow in Stromboli. Concealer, I'm going to use NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. Shit, got it on my eye, man. Set that, I'm going to use the banana powder. Blend all of that out. I've picked up this shade here, Rosy, again on my large fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna smoke all of that together. I accidentally got a bit of concealer in here and I quite like what it's looking like, so I'm just gonna go in with a bit more concealer and create some kind of look with that. A flat brush like this, I'm gonna go in with the concealer just on the ends, applying concealer just at the tip of the inner corner. And I'm gonna, with the flat shader brush that I did use, I'm gonna pick up with the other side the very first shade, which is Fluffy. I'm just gonna set that like so. Eyes over brush, pick up a bit of the darker shade, which is Wine Stain. Just gonna run that in circular motions, just really lightly. Take that along. Okay. I'm taking the second darker shade with the flat shader brush that I used on the darker side. I'm just going to quickly run that along the edges. So that's what my eyes are looking like right now. Okay. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just blend everything out together. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye and come back to you. I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply the Velvet Noir mascara. Line my lash line. Use my liquid eyeliner. Okay, before I do put on my lashes, I'm going to do the rest of my face so I can set that and be over and done with. With the iconic London Illuminator. And for highlighting, I'm going to use Peach Nectar, the A23 brush. And I'm gonna bronze with Give Me Sun. For blush, I'm gonna use Satin Bronze by Essence, and this is their Satin Touch blush. So now I'm going to set my face And for setting, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All-Nighter. And then I'm going to apply some lashes and come back to you guys. So for the rest of my eyes, I am going to go in with Frappe by Makeup Geek. That up with Zoeva Luxe Defined Crease Brush. And I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. And up to where it meets the rest of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this shimmery teal color, which is by Freedom Makeup London, and this shade is called Carefree, and it came in a set called HD Brights, so it's got a bit of a shimmer to it. I'm gonna use Mikasa E310. I don't know if you guys know, but I've got a discount code with Mikasa, so I will link that for you guys on the bottom. I'm now going to take Grandstand by Makeup Geek and take this Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm going to put that into my inner corners. So that's the eye done. Now I'm going to go on to the lips. So for the liner, I'm going to go in with Kiko's Automatic Precision Lip Liner, and it's in the shade 513. For lipstick, I'm taking, I believe this is the Velvet Matte by Kiko, and it doesn't even have a shade name on there. This is the finished look. I know it's a bit too intense for this outfit. I had a different look in mind totally, but it came out this way and I quite like it, so I'm gonna wear it together. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. If you guys recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram and show me what you've done. Make sure to follow me as well. I'll leave all the information below in the description box. So make sure to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave so you get notified. Hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video.